Welcome to Sangeeta's Cooking Mantras, where I'm going to teach you everything about the anti-gravity cake, building your own structure at home. Are we all excited? So I am going to take you through the journey of making a beautiful anti-gravity cake with figurines, toppers, fondant and everything. So this is a journey in which we are not going to make a plain cake, but we are going to make an anti-gravity cake, which is going to be amazing. I'm going to share all my tips and tricks, how you can have that anti-gravity visual and how you can make super exciting cakes. When it's our wedding cake or the recently 50 number monogram cake, how many of you have seen? There was a lot of cake that came out. I make a lot of goodies or cake pops or cakesicles, and I distribute it to the kids, those who are there is a signal very close by near Nehru Place, so they've started recognizing me now. I quite often go there and distribute it amongst them. So there are so many kids out there, those who have nothing to eat absolutely. So that is what I prefer doing with them. Now ganache is a little tricky because it solidifies fast and starts behaving like a sticky glue. And stretch and fold. In 2 minutes you can bring your fondant, condition your fondant, see? Beautiful. Today we are going to make a very rich Matilda cake. I want to teach you the authentic Matilda cake. Actual Matilda cake kya hota hai and how is it made. Whenever you want to make a very moist chocolatey cake, always try to fill in with milk. Alright, I have been doing this for years now, like 12 years now. So when you talk about a Matilda cake sponge, usually see people make it with a lot of eggs, because it has to be moist, gooey. But if you add in chocolate in the batter, in the recipe, then also you will get a very chocolatey, gooey and sticky and very rich cake. Okay? So I am making an egg-free version of the Matilda cake. Okay. Anybody can make this, even a non-baker. Okay? And if you are a baker, you want to give it a very stylish look, that's completely your choice. Now this will have a lot of frosting on it. Now you must have seen food vloggers, they don't finish the cake entirely like bakers do. क्या वो अच्छे से सीधा उसको finish करते हैं? नहीं करते ना? क्या करते हैं? Spatula को U. That's exactly what Matilda cake is. आपको पूरी frosting करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. All you want to do is you just want to apply ganache all over, and here less is not more. More is better actually. Okay. So let it be like a very rough kind of a topping, and isko thoda rough. Oh, that's why I was telling you, all those who are non-bakers can enjoy making this cake for your family. You don't have to be very particular with the frosting, with how the cake looks. Just tell them, do you want to eat the viral Matilda cake? And they will not even judge you. Because they can't tell you that, oh, daddy or bhai, you could not do the frosting. Because इसमें frosting में कुछ है ही नहीं. How the cake looks, you don't have to be very, specific when it comes to the filling and frosting and how the cake should look. It's the richness, gooiness and moistness of the cake. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye, take care, good evening, bye. That I am planning is going to blow your mind. You're going to love this cake, I can promise you that. तो जो फाइनल इफेक्ट है वो आपको मजा नहीं आएगा if you're going to take any colored buttercream or colored cake that will show through. So instead what you need is you always need white buttercream. Make sure you take buttercream and not whipped cream to fill in the gap, because buttercream will set in the refrigerator and whipped cream will not. Okay, there are so many techniques that you can do as a baker. Wow, it's looking so pretty. My smile is saying it all. This is looking so beautiful, isn't it? So you can actually try this in any color you want. This looks amazing. Thank you very much, everybody. I'll see you soon. I'll see you. Bye.